Trying out the new tow truck body on there. See how it crawls with it. Hell yeah, the whole thing's a beast. Fucking love this little car. I know, got me a cool little body. Oh, go Goodwill for $4. It's a little beast. I thought she was gonna flip. The whole thing does so good. It's crazy. Got flex. Up. Hell no. Damn it. I got her stuck, dude. Come on. I'm having too much fun with this damn thing. Little beast crawler tow truck. Can make the fast turns on a bitch top heavy as hell. I just be riding. Oh. Lost his spare tire, yes. Christ. Actually helps hold the bed down. That little contraption here. A little screw down, crank down winch here. that dude over here in higher rocks. The bigger rocks is this. Quite a crawling crevices, yes. Me. There's some rough looking paths there. Let's go over that one. Let's try that one. We're gonna try this one over here. Try and go across there. Up to that big one. Over to that one. And just boom. We'll see. See what happens. See if we can do this. A little top heavy turd. Alright. Frosting. Let's see. Oh, yes. Yeah, there, bro. Hang on. I got it a bit warm. Yes, he shut down. I might have hit that off switch over there on the side. I bet he did. He hit the off switch, I bet. Then got my outrigger out and stuff. He did hit the off switch. I don't think it's gonna make it around. We'll just swap her over here and try to go around this way. Yeah. I'll see, it's so bad. Hello, this thing. Ben. That's just so badass, dude. I love it. Ah. I can't get over how badass this little truck does. It just goes anywhere. Anywhere you drive it. Pretty much. Pretty much anywhere, I should say. Almost anywhere. Tire flexing and shit. Love it. Just push this rock out of the way. Get out of the way. Or we'll just go over top of it. Whatever. Just whatever you want to do there, truck. You little rocket monster. It's a beast. You just be getting down. A little fucker is badass. It's a mean little truck. It's a mean little tow truck, yes. They had a mater body, but it wasn't quite the right wheelbase. You just be crawling right on. Fix my little mirror, yes. With the headlights on and shit. Motherfucker is awesome. Don't roll over on me, you little turd. He said I'm out. See ya. Oh yeah. It's like, hey, I'm coming up here. Watch out. Coming up here. Look out. Here I come. He said, ha ha. Yes, I am. Ha ha. Watch me now. Uh-oh. Fucker. I gotta hold my ass over here. Fix it. Turn it right over. Need one of them a crane that's remote powered. I can just rotate the crane, extend the boom out or something. Motherfucker flip himself over right. That'd be fucking cool. Send my outriggers out. Maybe that'll help me from flipping, rolling over. I don't know. I got outriggers and shit. Let me start my motor up. I love me little truck, yes. It's a fucking blast. Meep meep. Hold my ass over the rocks now. Joe's motherfucking Ventures out.